Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a honest review of Webull Canada in 2025. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So the first thing you want to know is that Webull Canada is a commission-free trading platform that allows users to trade stocks and options over here. You can trade equity listed on the major US and Canadian exchanges. After that, it does not support mutual funds, bonds or futures. Then Webull provide different account types like taxable account, TFSA and RRSP, making it suitable for various investment goals. Now let's talk about the fees and commission over here. Webull charges CAD $2.99 per trade for Canadian stocks and US $2.99 for US stocks. After that, option contracts come with the USD 99 cents per contract fee, and there is 1.5% currency conversion fee and a $10 annual maintenance fee. Now moving on the trading platform over here, Webull offer a mobile app and desktop platform with advanced charting tools, real-time market data and customizable watch list. After that, the both platforms support paper trading, which help users practice their strategies without financial risk. Now let's look at the pros and cons over here. Pros include the user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools or no account minimum. After that, the cons include the limited asset chases, classical occasional platform strategy and stability issues, customer support concern. Now coming to the final conclusion over here, Webull Canada is a great choice for investors looking into the trade stock and the option at competitive pricing. After that, users should consider a limited asset offering a customer service issues before making a decision. And that's the honest view of the Webull Canada in 2025. That's it.